dash with the control for heating cooling system, and this is for the motor. Yeah, I've loaded all the beans in here. Now just let me lock the door. I use this one. Very easy. Just push it. I'm using one hand. Yeah. And from here, just open this one, and all the beans goes down side. But before we do that, let me start it. There is 3 temperature setting. 1, 2, 3. I always go to the maximum. I put the fan on for to take all the ash in the system and goes out of here. But I will leave this one closed for the time being to heat the inside a little bit. And this is the heat one. This is the fan, as I said. This is the cooling fan from the other side. This is for cooling beans. So this one will be on. This fan in here as well. Okay. And as you see, this fan is on too. Now I will leave it for a little while until the temperature in here rise up to 150, and I'll start put my beans inside. Come back to that. Yeah, now the temperature is almost 150. I put the motor, this is the motor speed. If you look in here, I can control it. Faster and faster. Now, to load the coffee roaster, all you need is to pull this one out. And all the coffee goes from here into this little pipe. And as you can see here, start loading. Yeah, you need to just help this one a little bit. Yeah, you see, everything inside. Just close it. Yeah. Look how sexy is that. I love it. This is after 10 minutes. Almost the coffee color start turning into yellowish little bit. Can go around it now. You can feel the heat here. And the temperature now is almost settled in 210. This is after 15 minutes. You see how yellowish start to become, start roasting. You can see it's working. Good. Working. The temperature now is almost 250. If my camera can touch it. And we're gonna talk about this one in the end of the video. And we're gonna clean it and we're gonna see how much ash in there. After 22 minutes, my coffee is ready. Now, just I don't know if you can see the smoke. I'm gonna put this black shelf in here, so I will show you how much is smoke in there. Helps the camera. Yeah. First thing I do, I switch off the heating to the coffee and leave everything on, and I will leave it for like 1 or 2 minutes, like that. Hi everyone, now after 23 minutes my coffee is ready. I switch off the heat and the smoke just everywhere. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, I think you can. Yeah. It has started. I just release this one. Oops. 1, 2, 3, go. Smell lovely. Looks lovely. Yeah. Now, as I said to you, I will go to this one and I will help do everything. Oh, sorry, I'm doing the other way around. Yeah. After when I screw this one, now the level of my coffee machine is more to the front, so it helps every single beans to get out of my coffee machine. Come on, guys. Now let's open this one. Wow. Just release this. Sorry. Ah. Magic. Can you see? I normally hoover it. Yeah, I normally empty it in a tray and I leave it 20 minutes, and after that I put it in my lovely coffee machine. This is the container which is there. Doesn't take half a kilo of coffee, but I did it for just to show you the capacity of my coffee machine. Look how lovely is that. We reached to the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Our channel is new on YouTube and we need your support. Thanks a lot.